Hi everyone, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am showing you today the Uncommon Plans digital kit for the Happy Planner. And this one is the 2019 New Year's kit, and it has lots of reds and yellows and oriental designs, and I really liked it, so I went back and did my 2019 rewind for January. And in today's video, I am going to be using my Paper House planner versus my Happy Planner, but the stickers still fit wonderfully, as you will see. And I just showed you the 8 half sheets. There's 4 full sheets that you get in your kit if you purchase it, and I will link that below. And these are a separate one. These are the Doodle Corn planner, and then I have the Doodle Corn craft set. So those are super cute. And then I also have the script words, and there's to do, to buy, vacation, day off, all sorts of useful things, and they are very reasonably priced. Now, also there's a discount code that is specifically like a discount for me to give to you guys. So please, if you want to purchase, please use that so you can get some money off. Now, I just showed you my Conquest planner, and this is my Erin Condren planner, and I'm just explaining how I'm going to be doing some rewinds, and I'm doing my actual planning in my Conquest planner, and then I'm doing my memory keeping in this is my 2018 Happy Planner, and this is where my Paper House planner is my 2019 Memory Keeper planner. The monthly boxes are a different size, but the weekly boxes are the same size. So I just wanted to let everybody know that if you have these different planners, they're very versatile, with the exception of the Conquest planner that has, different size boxes. But and here I'm just showing the difference between the two. Obviously, at the top where the footprints are, you can always put washi tape over that, but I let mine be. So the first thing I do is I'm putting all the date cover or day covers on. And this particular kit does not come with the numbers, but the Cozy Winter kit that I'm going to be using for next week does have numbers. So I'm just going to use those numbers on this layout also. And so I won't be putting those numbers on in this video, but I'll probably do it next week. And then these washi tapes on the bottom fit perfectly. And it's really fun to see how the layouts come together. And I decided to leave the entire top row blank. And then the sidebar is a little bit different from the sidebar in the Happy Planner, just because it's like there's no lines or boxes. There's just kind of like this scrolly banner thing. And I just covered it up just like, just like it would be. Now, because there is no lines, there was nowhere to line the stickers up on either side, so I just stuck my ruler along the side, and this is a Tim Holtz ruler. It has like a grid on the clear ruler part. I actually lined up one of the lines on the grid to one of the vertical day separators, but you could definitely just use a ruler and draw a straight line. So in my little sidebar there, I have an Instagram Monday through Friday tracker. I put a yellow quarter box there, and that's going to track my meals, and then one of the long checklists, which is there's 7 spots on that long checklist, so it's perfect for the meals. I also put a prescription tracker there, and that's for my vitamins. And then there was this funny space between the bottom washi on the left hand side and that tracker. So I just used one of the deco pieces. It's like a little hanging banner. So I love the 4-box images. It just, I think it brings, like, it actually is like, hey, this is what this layout's about. And so I put that one this time in the bottom right hand corner of the first page. And then I put a like dragon box in the upper left hand corner on Monday, and a piece of the glitter washi, and then one of the long banner like checklists. And then on the next one, I wanted to mark that it was my day off, so I put one of the little quarter boxes underneath it to kind of give it somewhere to lay. And then I'm back to Monday again with the half box. And another stick of glitter washi. And then I put one of the, from the kit, there's a whole page of cute little icon stickers, and that's a box. And it is for some of my Happy Mail. And I start with this red pen, but I end up not liking it, so I white it out. And I did put one of the script to-dos on that glitter header right above the strip, right above the checklist. And then I used one of the YouTube stickers that I created to do like the first, to put on the first line. So it's like there's a checklist there, but also I'm going to put the YouTube sticker on the first part of the checklist, so that because that's what one of my first to-do lists is. And then I fill out the meals on the left hand side, and then eventually I also have these little Hello Studio Company emojis, and I use that on the meals also, so you'll see that coming up here. And then I grab this black, it's not felt tip, it's like a Uniball pen, and use that to fill out my planner. And I like that a lot better than the red. Not to mention that I would have had to switch it up anyways with the red, because there are red boxes on here. And then I have on Tuesday there, I put that small checklist box, and I put that I hooked up my new Cameo, and then I put a printer icon next to it, and then realized that that was a printer and not the Cameo, so I switched that out later. Also, I put on Wednesday a bill due box, and it just put that Madison's lessons have to be paid for on that day, and an appointment box, and it was a vet appointment for one of my dogs. So and then I went back to Monday and did the checklist, and we gave the puppy a bath on Monday, so I put the little bathtub that comes on the icon sheet there. And then also, I think I use a little trash can down at the bottom that comes on the icon sheet. So there's a lot of really cute, it even makes trash fun. There's a lot of cute icons that you can use on that sheet. It's a full quarter or full half sheet of icons. And then I have a little Hello Studio Company emoji, and I put the Vampire Diaries, because that's what I'm reading, that's what I was reading, and Breaking Dawn. And then I go to the back side of the planner, and I just kind of looked to see where the full boxes were, so they weren't, there was just so many like right next to each other, and so many of the same color right next to each other. So I decided that the yellow box needed to go on Thursday because it was closest to the 4-box, or the bigger box, and that box was all red, so I wanted a little bit of you know, to just to break up some of that red. So, and then I use the lantern box on the top row on Friday, and then Saturday I use the Chinese food box, and then another lantern box on Sunday. And I use a half box on Friday, or on Thursday, I'm sorry. And then one of the little lists, the 3 lists, and the lists the check boxes on these little lists are fortune cookies, so I thought that was really cute. And I use the scale from the icon sheet, or maybe they call them functional stickers, so, but they're little icons and they're really cute. And I wrote my weekly weight down there. And then I use another 3, the banner 3 checklist on Friday, and use it for my Weight Watcher points, and then a half box at the bottom. And then on to Friday, I used, underneath the full box, I used the glitter header, and then one of the 4 long checklist boxes. And I do bounce around a lot, and I may change that. If that bothers you, let me know. But I do like to make it visually appealing to me, and that's the easiest way for me to do that. So if that bothers anybody, like I said, just let me know and I'll work on that. So after I put down another strip of that glitter washi under Friday, I also put a laundry basket from the icon sheet and just wrote laundry day. And then I put a couple glitter stickers down, or glitter headers, and then put the weekend sign on top of those on Saturday and Sunday. And then on Saturdays I have another one of the long banner checklists, and I use the icon for the grocery bag because we went grocery shopping, and then the little icon for the Kawaii money. It's just super cute. So I just filled out my little to-do list there. I also used one of the planner stickers and overlapped the full box on Sunday for that. Then I used one of the YouTube sticker that comes on the icons for Sunday, and the Plan With Me or planner right over a glitter header on Sunday also. And then I used one of the big long checklists, or not the big long ones, but the 4, I guess it's a half box checklist for Sunday cleaning. And I put one of that little vacuum cleaner icon, which I thought was really cute. And then I ended up pulling that off, and I used one of the quarter boxes, and, well, actually 2 of the quarter boxes there, and then just to fill up some space on Saturday. And I end up putting a deco sticker there. So if you end up with like some awkward spots because you just don't have enough stuff to put on them, you can fill them up with some of the headers or some of the quarter boxes or half boxes, and then use the deco to make it like appealing. Now I open up my entire spread out to add the deco so that I can make sure that it's cohesive and I have the like similar amounts of deco on either side. So and then this sticker I outlined in black ink because I just wanted it to stick out a little bit more. So I'm a little bit off camera here, but you guys will see in the pictures all the different deco that I put on. And I'm going to be running out of time here, so I just wanted to say I thank you very much. Head on over to Uncommon Plans, use Jenn, Jenn 25 to get 25% off of her digital kits or anything in the store. And digital planning is awesome because once you have it, you can always use it. You don't have to wait out another kit. You print it out and you can cut it yourself by hand or with one of your machines. So I think it's great. I love it. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you come back next time. Have a great day, and bye-bye.